Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust camber on your Ford Ranger using an easy method. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and safely supported. You'll need basic hand tools and a reliable camber gauge for accurate measurements. This adjustment is crucial for maintaining tire longevity and improving your truck's handling characteristics. Proper camber ensures your tires make full contact with the road, preventing premature wear and enhancing driving stability. Before you begin, gather all necessary tools. You'll need a sturdy jack and reliable jack stands for safety, along with a lug wrench to remove your wheels. A comprehensive socket set and an adjustable wrench will be vital for loosening and tightening bolts. Most importantly, acquire a precise camber gauge, either digital or a good quality bubble level, to ensure your adjustments are accurate and effective. Safety first always. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. And on another note, after a long day of working on your truck, why not relax with a good book? The new Kindle Paperwhite lets you read anywhere, even in bright sunlight or by the campfire. It's perfect for learning new skills or just unwinding. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's get to the adjustment. Safely lift your Ford Ranger and remove the front wheels. Locate the upper control arm bolts and loosen them just enough to allow movement. Many Ford Rangers use an eccentric bolt or a cam kit for camber adjustment. Rotate this eccentric bolt incrementally, checking your camber gauge after each small adjustment. Aim for the manufacturer's specified camber setting for optimal performance and tire wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.